I'm Prissa Jean, and you're watching A Taste of New York. Today, I'm gonna be preparing some delicious dishes using Dorot Gardens garlic, ginger, and herbs. I'm gonna show you how to make two really easy recipes. One that's a meal prep for the whole week. Just have it pre-made, send it to the kids for school, for lunch. And I'm also gonna make a delicious cherry basil garlic angel hair pasta. So I discovered this brand in the freezer aisle in my supermarket, and I got so excited because being a busy mom, I don't always have time to go out into the supermarket and buy the things that I need, but I really want fresh ingredients. And the fact that Dorot Gardens harvests their own ginger and garlic that they have in their own fields 90 minutes after harvesting, they flash freeze it and they put it in these convenient trays that all you have to do is just pop it out right into your recipe. They last for 2 years. One thing you want to keep in mind is that when you peel back this first cover, you don't want to remove the foil. Just go ahead from the back of the tray and just pop it right into your dish, and that's all you need. And the front lets you know 1 cube equals 1 clove. Super easy. For the sheet pan recipe, it's super easy. All you need is about 1 pound of chicken breasts, or you can use chicken thighs if you want, and you want to just cut them into strips. If you use chicken thighs, make sure they're boneless or remove the bone, and then you can pick any of the vegetables that you want. And then to make the sauce, you will need a blender. What you will do is you're going to put the soy sauce, the water, the oil, the garlic, the ginger, and some white vinegar into the blender. Just blend that up. Now, I'm gonna take this delicious sauce that I've just prepared in the blender, and it smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and drizzle this right onto the chicken like this. Use half of it to pour over all of the vegetables, and the remaining half, you want to take it and simmer it into a pot so that it gets nice and thick so you can pour it over the vegetables like a delicious sauce. Then you want to go ahead and take it into a preheated oven of 425 for about 15 minutes. I'm going to do that right now. We're gonna take some of that delicious sauce that we just cooked up, and we're just gonna drizzle that right onto the chicken and some onto the veggies. You can go ahead and start creating your meal prep. So the next recipe that I'm gonna show you, which is the cherry tomato garlic basil angel hair pasta, I'm going to go ahead and get some cherry tomatoes and Parmesan, and I have the basil and the garlic pop-up trays from Dorot Gardens. And all I need to do is just boil some angel hair pasta, and then in a saute pan, you're gonna see that I'm going to blend some olive oil, salt and pepper, and just saute some of those cherry tomatoes and add the garlic and the basil and mix it all together to make a beautiful, delicious sauce. And then I'm gonna toss the angel hair pasta right into that pan, and then I'm gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese, and it's ready to serve. Super easy, super quick, and very delicious. I had so much fun with you today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions or if you want any more information, just go ahead and visit their website.